Forecast Bar offers a powerful radar display that you can use to visualize conditions in your area or any area across the globe. To view the radar screen, tap on the radar icon in the top right. This will pull up an interactive, scrollable, and zoomable map that shows you the radar. I can press play to load an animated version that will show me what's happening for the last several hours, as well as future predictions. I can pop out the legend to get a sense of what the colors mean. Now I can also switch to other layers, and subscribers have access to a wide array of different views. Let's take a look at the wind speed. Again, I can pull the legend out to get a sense of what we're seeing here. The layer screen also offers different map styles for the base map, whether you want to see a standard line graph, satellite view, or a hybrid which combines landmarks and roads with a satellite view. You'll also see a quality selection that helps you choose between the radar loading much more quickly or loading in a higher resolution frame. This is up to you, and you can play around to see what works best for you and your needs.